Hello everyone. Um, today's Monday, and I decided that I'm going to start creating more video content because I actually really enjoy doing this. Um, I spend like some time in the weekend to build this um, repo where I'm going to share everything that I'm using. So today's video is going to, if my laptop is not burning, I'm going to share how I set up everything. And so this is like the actual outline of what I'm using is. So OBS is like the main um, tool to record videos and screencasts. Of course, Visual Studio Code is to code everything, like in Mac. Also, like I'm gonna walk you through like how I create thumbnails, like background music also is important. Like video, like editing tools, what I use, uh, how to also do intro, outro material. I think for the first ones, I'm not going to do anything like around that, but like eventually I will get better and faster creating videos, so I have more time to build to create this nicer content. Also, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do the record process because I'm doing this not only in English but in Spanish too. So and then I'm eventually I will have a recording calendar because I need some structure, and also I might do some like live streaming of this too. So this is like some of the content that I'm gonna share. Of course, this is going to grow, but yeah, this is like one of the first ones. Like Gatsby, of course, is one of the core things that I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna share a bunch of content. Danjo.js is a really nice tool I have here to um, to uh, to automate common code review scores and in your CI processes. And I'm really into like um, automation like lately. So this is definitely something that I really like. I enjoy doing it, and it's a series that I eventually I guess I'm gonna pack it into like something like Egghead egghead.io. If you don't know what it is, I'm gonna put the link also in the description. So then there's one domain uh, that I bought called Diviner. That is this mix between designer and developer term that I really liked, and I just want to build like a community website for diviners, the like all of us that design and code. So performance improvements, of course, Gatsby. This is a client that I have. Meet is a restaurant. Also, theme development. I've already done some like theme related code. Sorry, videos. So that's also another one. Like JavaScript tips. I usually like are I'm usually approached by like people that are starting learning React or um, or JavaScript, and these like tiny techniques or tips and tricks that I usually use right now are quite useful, and I think it's important. So I might do some like series about JavaScript tips, also React, of course, and also another thing that I really like enjoy doing is CSS. Actually, this is how I started like my development career. Well, yeah, if you say CSS is a mm, is a uh, programming language, well, this is how I started, and also something really like that I in my last project I was working a lot was with React Native Web, and I had a lot of problems with accessibility. So this is something that I might do also a series. So yeah, this is like the outline of like what I have, like the ideas that I have right now. Um, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do everything, but at least I have an outline. At least I have a like a place to go. Okay, I want to do a video. What can I do, right? So this is it. Um, Actually, I this is the out from like regarding Danger.js. Um, this is the outline from the one of the creators of Danger that he proposed 2 years ago. You see here to Egghead. So he just like said publicly that he doesn't have time to do this. So I might just invest a little time and see if I can deliver this like workshop to Egghead, because I think it's pretty like it's awesome, and not too many people know about Danger. So I guess that will be a good way to spread the word. And also another thing that I'm gonna talk about in this like videos and series and whatever I'm doing, it's uh, how I prepare all this sharing material. Like when because yeah, recording is one part, also editing is another part, but sharing is also important. And there's some things that I might have idea to do with it. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. We'll see. But at least, like I said, I I'm I'm trying to put here a process, and 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 maybe this will might be helpful to someone else. Maybe to you if you want to do videos too, or I don't know. I'm just learning and try to do it as open as I can. So and also make mistakes, and let's see how it goes. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I think the first like series that I'm gonna do for sure, it's maybe around Gatsby, or and maybe I'm gonna swap between these two, because video setup is quite important. And and yeah, well, hope you enjoy this, and thanks for watching.